Hello, this is the Chinese trial coverage by EmRatThich. Update by EmRatThich. This is the schedule for the tournament. So the schedule is today, 6 May, we have mixed doubles semi-final, men and women semi-final. And tomorrow, 7 May, we have mixed double final, women single final and men single final. Tomorrow we will have the final, 马特. And here is the semi-final for the men single. And this evening, today, we will have the semi-final, 陈梦孙颖莎. Who will win the semi-final number 2? And 93% of you has voted for Ma Long. Who will win the semi-final number 1? And 89% of you has voted for Fan Zhendong, 11% for Wang Jujin. I just came back from future. It is Fan Zhendong 4 versus Ma Long 2 in the final. Our king Ma Long. Or prediction, my money is on Ma Long. Chinese players love this sport so much. They watch the competition outside the stadium.
比赛正在激烈的进行当中，我们看到在馆外也聚集了大量的新乡的观众。对于这些没有票的观众们来说，他们则通过
Some players can't buy the ticket, but they still stay outside the stadium. They really love the sport. Amazing how much love for table
让我
tennis.
们也是感到非常的震撼。
你去后面的，不让你在那个场地里面打，你还可以。你这么做，